scissors?
Yeah. This is kind of what I'm not used to possibly be.
Here, Sammy, you can pull this. You can pull it off. There, Sammy. Oh, sorry.
Did Taylor get any presents?
Really?
No.
I bought her like.
No, I never realized that.
Oh,
Glitters. And what set is it, Jason? It's not a set. It's just another calico critter. Hey, what's this? That's wrapping paper.
Ooh, two. Meg.
Wow, look at this.
Rules for girls.
Calico
Wow.
critter set.
Calico critter set. Melanie and Sparky have a play date.
See, look, it's a horse and a car. Clothes to dress your calico critters up.
Wow.
And three more calico critters to have fun with, JC. But that's not all you get, actually. Here, let me give you another one from Santa. From Santa for me. It says, Mommy, can you give me a scissors? Ooh, it's Play-Doh! Yeah, but Santa didn't bring that. I know Mommy and Daddy brought it! Play-Doh! Yeah, Mommy and Daddy brought the two snowman. Builder! JC? Hey, this is cool. You get to build... JC, you get to build burgers. Look. See, you're the chef. I'm the chef. Yeah, you push down on those things and it makes it a burger. It's like a whole set. It's cool, huh? JC, let's open another one from Santa. For Sammy and JC from Santa. JC. Daddy, you have some presents to open. Walkie-talkies. Yeah. Walkie-talkies. Two of them, too.
I think those are so you two can talk to each other from different rooms.
Talkies. Okay. Now let's also see. Oh, Daddy, you have some from Jennifer. Okay. That's so nice. We have just like one more thing to have. Good. Okay, that's a stick. And then, okay. This is kind of heavy now when I feel it. Oh, it's double side wrap. A book. Cool, it's a book. Oh, it's a Harry Potter book. Look, they got us Harry Potter, Daddy.
The second one?
No, and the Sorcerer's Stone. The one we were trying to...
Oh, wow.
What is this? Now we can return Grandma.
I Spy Eagle Eye. It's an I Spy game.
It's a game, JC. Huh? I got the Harry Potter book. I got this.
And did you see the wand?
That looks, oh, look, there's like a bell. You have to find it.
Paper.
I think it's a race. You and someone have to find something, and whoever finds it first rings the bell. It's like a Where's Waldo thing. You like those?
Sammy, look on the wrapping paper. Because you've missed part of the present.
I know.
Here, this thing here.
The wand. Wow.
That's a Harry Potter wand.
The Harry Beginner's wand.
Uh-oh. I don't want to be turned into no toad.
Can you help me, Daddy?
Sure, but I want to make sure you don't turn me into a toad.
Open the other end.
I won't.
Pull the paper off the other end.
This one?
Yeah. From the bottom.
And JC, look at this.
From the
This
bottom.
is.
No, from the bottom of the top.
That's cool.
Paper.
It is
Bottom.
cool. I thought it looked cool.
There.
You have to go.
No way. It's stapled in.
Hey, you guys have one more present.
I know. One more present? Yeah.